Hey, puppy. What you got? Hey, come back here with that. What do you got? I wanted to grow snow peas on the front fence, and in order to do so, I needed to remove the roots to the perennial sweet peas that were growing there that people can't actually eat. And so I got to digging up those roots. And then I got to taking these seeds that I saved from last year, these old dried crackly seed pods. And even though it was really early in the season and we had plenty of frost left and snow and stuff, I put as many of these snow peas as I could in the dirt along the fence where I'd ripped out all the roots to the previous peas. And in a couple weeks, the sprouts started shooting up. And then a couple weeks after that, the sprouts all over the place would be really fun. And then finally, they were growing big enough and they were starting to flower. And I was hopeful that maybe sometime before the official first day of summer, I was going to have some snow peas to put in my salad. And then finally, a little over 9 weeks after we planted the seeds, the first peas ready to pick were found on the vine. Sure.
Make sure when you pull them out, you open up the little things. Because that's
Is it good?
when you'll fold over.
Mommy. Is it good?
It's a bean. It's good.
Gabby?
What is it?
It's a pea. And with continuous harvest, we will continuously have peas until the heat's too hot. But we got a while to look forward to that yet. Peace out, fish.